I'm using 6-inch tortillas. You can use the 12-inch. These are flour tortillas.
Hi, we're back cooking what you want, and I have something perfect for Taco Tuesday.
You know, a lot of people think fajitas, they want to do tacos. Some people go out on Taco Tuesday, but why not stay at home and have something easy and fun to make? So, taquitos are what we're going to do today. I'm using 6-inch tortillas. You can use the 12-inch. These are flour tortillas. I tend to like the flour tortillas a little bit better because they roll easier versus the corn. I know with gluten allergens, we want to not use the flour. So the corn tortillas, for me, unfortunately, don't roll as nicely. They crack. So that's why I use the flour. But if you have to use those other ones, the corn, that's fine, no problem. And then also with when we're about to roll, you want to make sure that your tortilla is not cold. You're not. Okay. There we have it. We'll put a little bit of the jalapenos on top. And bam. We're ready to eat. So, again, taquitos, Cooking with Sharon. We appreciate you joining us. Until next time, enjoy it.